Namaste everyone and welcome to my channel Sapna's Yoga Diary. I'm shooting this video after more than 3 months now. And it feels like I'm recording for the very first time. So this is my third attempt to record a video on the same theme. So I hope this time it works well. This video is very special because I'm going to share very exciting news with you all. As I said, from last 3 months I have not been able to record any video for YouTube, and in this video you will know why I was not able to share any video. So though I was not recording any video, but I was reading all your feedback, and honestly thank you so much for sharing your feedback because that helps me to understand how my videos are helping people. So I am just sharing some of the comments, some of the feedbacks that you have shared with me, and that was actually pushing me to do continue doing good, and I wanted to return to YouTube and share more videos with you. So yeah, in this video I'm going to share the exciting news. From last 8 years I have been working as a freelancer yoga teacher. I have done a lot of good work. I have taught in Dubai. I have worked with corporates. I have worked with hotels for yoga classes, and I have run my own yoga studio in Dubai, which was working very well. I went online. My classes went online, and they were running very well. They are still running very well. So after 8 years of this journey, I wanted to do more exciting things, and I wanted to basically run an academy or a studio kind of thing. So in the beginning of this year, to be specific, in March, we started Happy Yogi. So yeah, Happy Yogi. So I have a company now. From the freelancer, I have turned into an entrepreneur, or you can, I want to call it an institute, not a company, but technically it is a company. So yeah, I have a baby now. I have Happy Yogi. And what is changing now with Happy Yogi? Let me share. So in these 3 months, apart from running online yoga classes, which is like I'm having two group classes online. One runs at 7 to 8 a.m. IST, and other one 5:30 to 6:30 p.m. IST. These two are my regular online yoga classes. If you are also interested, you can join in. Apart from these private and group sessions that goes online, I also give the Shatkarma classes. I also take Shatkarma classes because I want more and more people to know about Shatkarma. I want more and more people to learn these cleansing techniques. So in cleansing techniques, I teach Kunjal and Jalniti online. So if you are interested, keen in learning these techniques, you can approach to me. The fee is 1,000 per session for Indian residents, and 25 USD per session for the people who want to learn and are not based in India. Also, under the umbrella of Happy Yogi, I have started offline yoga classes, which is based in Ahmedabad, Gujarat. So in Gujarat, Ahmedabad, we have started the studio, which is in my own residence. So it's a rooftop open air setup where I take my morning class, which runs at 6 to 7 a.m. and 7 to 8 p.m. there is another batch, 7 to 8 p.m. in the evening. So the time that I have chosen is basically the sunrise and sunset time, so that we can reap the maximum benefits out of the practice. For now, yeah, we have started with 2 batches, but yes, in coming months, we have plan of expanding, and we have plan of adding more batches because we are getting good response. Apart from the online and offline classes, I've started selling some products as well. So these are basically customized products, because I have reviewed many products and I've got lot of questions on Jalneti pot and what kind of pot should I bought should I buy, from where I should buy yoga mats. A lot of students have inquired and told me that we want to buy a recyclable yoga mats, but under 2000 rupees. So I was thinking on this problem area for a very long time. I have researched the market a lot, and after all the research, I have started adding some products also in the studio. This is basically primarily being sold to the students who come for the class, because I want them to practice in a good setup and in on a good mat which is recyclable and which has all the good things in it. um, and because in YouTube also is like a family, all those people who watch me, who follow me, they are my family. So it will be available for you as well. I will talk about the products in my new video because I don't want this video to go very long. So in the next video I'll share what products I have and what are the charges, etc., etc. The idea when I started, especially for yoga mat, because I had that thing in my mind that it has to be around 2000 rupees because that's what you wanted. Yeah, so watch my next video if you are looking for a good yoga mat under your budget. Apart from online offline yoga classes, having yoga products in the studio, I also wanted to enter in the corporate area again, but this time as a vendor as with the corporate workshops. So International Yoga Day was a good time because I knew a lot of companies will look for a yoga workshop, will conduct workshop for their employees, and I was right. And this year on International Yoga Day, we had two events. One was the online chair yoga and mindfulness session for Fuji Silver Tech, and other was the collaborated event with Decathlon. Yes, we did the collaboration with Decathlon on International Yoga Day, and we had a great event. I mean, it was so good. Everyone was super happy after the event. Um, so yeah, I'll talk about this also probably in one of the next videos because I want to share every little thing of my journey with you all, because I know it is going to touch you, it is going to motivate you, and it may help you in future if you are planning to start anything like this. So yeah, we with International Yoga Day events, we have started corporate workshops also. That's all we did in last 3 months, and you can understand that because it's a new thing, it's a small thing, it's a baby. So like a mother who takes care of the baby from morning till the end, I had to look after every aspect of it. If you look at the logo of the company, I picked it up. I decided on different options available, and then our family, basically me, my husband, my friends, we did a lot of brainstorming on choosing the name of the company. So there also a lot of time was gone, and then I did all the paperwork, how to register a company, how to register for GST, how to file GST. There was a lot of learning involved, and I did it all by myself. So I am the CA of the company as well. And then after that, running an offline yoga studio need this space. So we had to look for this space. We had to build a good space for the positivity in that space so that people can feel it. And then so cleaning that area, preparing that area, planning for that area. For marketing, I made the business cards myself, I designed it myself. I designed the posters, the standees, the banners, everything has been designed by me. So I'm the graphic designer of the company as well. And then so there was a lot of learning involved. In fact, we myself, me and my husband, we distributed flyers also in the area around so that people could see us. We could speak to people, etc., etc. So all that along with running my regular online sessions. Yeah, so it was very exhausting, but it was a very exciting 3 months for us. A lot of learning. So you could understand why I was not able to post video on YouTube. So this is just a short summary of what happened in last 3 months, but I'm going to share the entire journey with you step by step in my upcoming videos. As I told you, in the next video I'm going to share the products that I have, so that if any one of you want to purchase it, you can place an order. I have limited stock. So yeah, for now, yeah, I'll just leave it here. Do let me know how you find this video. What are your reactions? How did you like Happy Yogi name? And how did you like the entire 3 months thing, journey? How did it sound to you? I will be very eager to read your comments. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you for all the love and support. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, namaste.